Come ye faithful, raise the strain of triumphant gladness. God hath brought his Israel into joy from sadness, loosed from Pharaoh's bitter yoke, Jacob's sons and daughters, led them with unmoistened foot through the Red Sea waters. 'Tis the spring of souls today, Christ hath burst his prison, and from 3 days' sleep in death, as a sun hath risen. All the winter of our sins, long and dark, is flying from his light, to whom we give loud and praise undying. Neither might the gates of death, nor the tomb's dark portal, nor the watchers, nor the seal, hold thee as a mortal. But today amidst the 12, Christ appeared, bestowing that thy peace which evermore passeth human knowing.